Do you want to know how you can log into your Ulster University Student Portal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ulster University account. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser and then go to the Google search bar to search for Student Portal Ulster or your Ulster Student Portal. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official site of Ulster University. Now, under the Student Portal, you can scroll down and see Access the Student Portal. Go ahead and click on this link and you can see that after authenticating it, it will lead you to this Microsoft login system. Go ahead and write down your email, click Next, and if it's a valid one, you can click on password and write down your password. So if there are problems, this page will show up. So guys, that's the basic idea of how you can log into Ulster University Student Portal. All you need to do is click on Access the Student Portal under the Student Portal option, and it will lead you to this login portal where you can write down your email address, click Next, write down your password, and then click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign in to your Ulster University Student Portal. I hope this video about how you can log into your Ulster University Student Portal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.